The number 1 scorer pagdating sa PBA 3X, si Almond Vosotros. Ito nga yung mga achievements nila all tournament long.
Nagsimula ng third conference ng Season 1 all the way to the first conference of Season number 3. Actually, 5 na pala. 5 na ang Grand Finals Championship or Grand Championships na itong TNT led by that man. That is the other guy, Almond Vosotros. Pero importante rin naman si Ping as we meet the players with Benji.
Yes, the semifinals! In our first semifinal game, the two teams are on the floor right now. Let's introduce first TNT Triple Giga. From Las Vegas, number 0, Chester Zaldua. From Morocco, number 8, Hey Eximiniano. From Valenzuela, number 26, Almond Vosotros. From Davao, number 29, Ryan Mendoza. Coach of TNT Triple Giga, Coach Mau Belen. And their opponent, MERALCO, both 3x3. From Cebu, number 7, Alfred Papino. From Bukidnon, number 16, Raymar Canduya. From Cebu, number 17, Joseph Sanarifa. From Victoria City, Negros Occidental, number 30, Chef Manday. Coach of the MERALCO 3x3, Coach Patrick Brown. And our officials, Charlie Alvarado and Clarence Bautista.
For Coach Mau Belen, at least for this leg, hindi sila yung pinaka-deserving ng championship because they haven't been playing TNT basketball. Maybe it's the players coming from injuries, but whatever it is, wala lang talaga yung killer instinct. Having said that, she also challenged her players that if you want it, then take it. It's gonna be great for their momentum and confidence heading to the grand finals anyway.
And here we go! TNT Triple Giga going up against MERALCO in the semifinals! It starts at 5, 4, 3x3, PBA La Santa Flo!
Watch the second conference of the third season ng ating PBA 3x3 live in HD. Anytime, anywhere, and on any device around the world via the Filipinas Live app. You can also watch a deep archive of PBA content in the current or previous seasons on demand or in full game highlights. Download the app via Google Play or the App Store or watch via filipinaslive.com. Register now for free. Bago pa tayo magsimula, stretching, warm-up at introduction pa lang. Nakita nyo naman, si Sidoripa binabantayan na kagad si Vosotros.
Really not giving itong si Vosotros, no? Space. Pero going back to that report of Miss Apple, Coach Mau really setting the standard high. After finishing the elimination round with 2-0, undefeated nga sila, pero hindi pa raw laro ng TNT. Itong nakikita natin in today's leg.
They won 4 of the first 5 legs. They've got 2-0 today. Pero di pa masaya si Coach Mau. Hard to please. Hiro lang, Coach. Tabla tayo sa 2. Semi-final round na nga tayo. Winner gets a guaranteed 50K and will be playing for 100 later on this afternoon. At hindi naman po papalarin, we'll have to battle for third para makapag-uwi ng 30K. Both of these squads already through to the quarter-final round next week sa Grand Finals. Kaya pride at prize money ang pinaglalabanan natin ngayon.
Tama, ito TNT has been good in this conference as winning leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3, and leg 5 pa pala.
Macfa nga lang yung nakabungi sa kanilang isa back in leg 4 when Macfa took them out in the semis and then eventually took MERALCO out in the finals.
At ito naman, MERALCO balls going to them. Naging consistent sila all conference long, kaya naman sila automatically pumasok dito sa top 4 pagdating ng Grand Finals.
Yun pa lang ang show natin, ano? Depending on our unofficial math, TNT and Meralco are through. Yung Pioneer looking good din, pero 1 point ahead lang naman sila. Dito sa MACFA, and the Cavitex nga already beat MACFA, which means at the very minimum, lalamang ng 10 puntos ang Cavitex, 10 lang yung differential nila. Diba?
Siguro it's safe to say na kapag pumasok ang Cavitex Braves sa finals,
Pasok.
ang Magpa Solver will be at number 5, Pioneer will stay at number 4 dahil nga lamang sila ng 1 point dito sa Magpa Solver. At ang Cavitex Braves papasok dun sa number 3 at least. So here, Magpa Solver, you want Cavitex Braves to lose this game later.
How about Vosotros stripping it away from Batino and then knocking home the deuce? Alma doing it all once again para sa TNT. Vosotros misses. Uy, ganda naman ang move na yun, Ping.
And look at that activity of Pinging Siminiano. When Vosotros took that shot, Pinging Siminiano went right away to get for offensive board. Kaya naman ito, another opportunity given by Meralco balls to them because of Pinging Siminiano.
Makasolid ng TNT na makita na wala pa yung big man na si Lervin Flores, who is with the 5-on-5 team now.
And not mentioning Samboy De Leon.
Talaga si Ryan Mendoza, si Chester Salduang, umaas ng mga big man nila. Pero no problem, dominante pa rin naman ang triple giga.
I gotta love the combination of Coach Mao. Uy! Sorry, miss. Dito para kay Vosotros, no? Nagulat din siya. He was wide open in that layup.
Pang round robin big line, galing ang bagay na yan. As Batino will clear it. Will clear the board, that is. That's siya kanila naman yung tumira doon.
Tama, no? Kasi kanina nangyari, nagkagawan sa bola to get that rebound. Pero what happened in that last sequence, Batino is cleared, was cleared, getting that offensive board.
Isip nga niya, sino ba yung tumira? Ay, kakapi ko pala.
Tama, oo.
Mabilis yun ang na-realize. Ryan Mendoza.
Set up and in.
Diyan mas net dito TNT, pero in the meantime, called the foul against dito kay Ryan Mendoza. Pero going back to that topic as more deadly ito TNT because of that guy, Ryan Mendoza, nagkaroon ng consistent outside shooting aside from Vosotros This guy, Ryan Mendoza, ilang beses ko na sila nakita, pinanalo sila ni Ryan in that 2-point basket.
Mendoza and Saldua lead the way with 3 points apiece. Vosotros has 2. Sa kabila naman, 3 tao nakakatigdodos, namely Patino, Kaduyak, and Manday. Si Sidurifa pa ang hindi pa nakakabuta so far para sa Meralco.
Sa kabila naman sa TNT, si Siminiano ang hindi pa rin nakaka-score dito. Bantukan that mga hustle na ginagawa nito ni Ping.
Ay, sobra. Para dito kay Saldua. Manday inside to Batino. Lista mo na.
Ping Siminiano gambled in that sequence. Batino, easy basket for him.
Ganda naman ang MC ni Saldua. Akala ng lahat papasa.
And I wanna know, kanino natutunan ni Cesar Saldua in that play? Absorbing the contact and doing that 1-2 step.
Sapul si Vosotros dito kay Batino. That's an offensive foul.
I'm calling Chester after this game. You watch his replay.
Yun yung offensive foul. Umangat kasi yung Siko.
Tama.
Less than 6.5 remaining in semifinal number 1. Maya-maya lang, it'll be Pioneer versus Cavitex naman.
Wow! Beating Siminiano, beating from beyond the arc. 3 players connecting from beyond the arc already for TNT.
Ay! Akala ni Siduriba, outside na. Excellent decision by Mendoza.
That hurts para dito sa Meralco balls. I don't know if they know. Especially si Dorifa. That is still good. Kasi tumalikod din si Dorifa And then ito si Ryan Mendoza easily getting that ball. And an easy basket for them.
And Palapsyo, the part of the Bolts. It hasn't been a Siduriba kind of game, ha? Hindi pa nag-shot attempt man lang. Ito si Joseph. 0 for 0 from the field for no points.
I think Senorifa is focused to defend it on si Vosotros.
Sextimignano will miss. One time will track it down inside the Batino. Nice patience by Alfred Ryan.
Another basket by Batino in that shaded area. Points in the paint for Meralco, 8 points already.
Keep the Bolts within 3. As we approach the halfway mark, Saldua no. Saldua blocked by Batino. Saldua still with it. He gets it over to Vosotros. Alba spins away from Anbay.
That is a big man move by Albon Vosotros. Keeping that pivot foot, spinning and getting that layup.
Canduya took it right to the grill of Alvin. That's going to be a double black eye on Vosotros. Siya natin naman, siya pa foul.
Sa pool ito si Vosotros, no? Escaduya trying to seal the ball right away. Once he saw itong smaller defender, Vosotros, sa pool nga. Itong si Vosotros, no?
Sabihin mo, hindi naman ng siko o braso, pero natural motion eh.
Tama.
Hindi overextended yung siko na yun, eh, no?
And he makes the free throw.
Pag Siko tumama doon, that's offensive foul. But what happened? Hindi Siko eh.
Biceps.
Triceps.
Triceps.
At ayun yung lagi natin tinuturo sa mga players. No? If you use your triceps or if you use your elbow, that's automatic offensive foul. But if you use your tricep, getting advantage, minsan tinatawagan ng referee. So yun ang ginagawa ng ibang players.
Pero pag tricep ni Ramirez, baka dapat double technical kagad. Tulog ganun eh. Eh, ito yung pinagpapagkwentuhan natin. Kanina lang po sa quarterfinals, tinalo ng Cavitex. Yung number 5, Cavitex, tinalo Macfa. And the difference between a Final Four finish and top 5 is 10 points. ANU sa punto sa diferensya. But look at Pioneer, 1 point lang ang lamang din sa Macfa. Yun yung higpit na kabulan natin dito.
Kaya naman itong game natin later dun sa second set natin, Cavitex brings the Pioneer. Importante rin, not only they're wanting to enter the finals, but also dun nga dun sa grand finals to enter in the top 4.
Nice bounce. Eximiniano Chester. Saldua still with it, sticking with it, and delivers the putback.
Again, going back to what I'm saying earlier, the most powerful pass in that roller is a bounce pass. As being Eximiniano doing that powerful bounce pass to Chester Saldua, getting that ball and a basket.
Saldua off the dribble, took it right to Senorifa, and he saves it back to Ping. Sobra. Saldua still with it. Offensive rebounding, dominated by the triple GIGA. Eximiniano running that baseline to perfection.
Tenacity being really being displayed by Saldua. 7 offensive boards and 7 extra opportunities for TNT.
Hindi pa rin tumitira ni isang beses etong si Senorifa. Halos 6 na minuto na into the semifinals.
Tama ka doon, no? That's a discredit para dito sa Meralco Balls. During the meantime, tingnan muna natin itong galaw ng TNT. Chester Saldua. That is the right pivot foot. Kaya naman ito, ang kanyang kakampi is wide open underneath the rim. Going back to Chester Saldua, he got 7 rebounds. And 6 of those came from offensive rebound.
Bigat, ano? As Vosotros makes it a 6-point lead. Titira na kaya sa Senorifa? Hindi pa rin. Gives it up to Manday. There's something going on. Oh, Vosotros left alone. Could not make it pay.
Alam mo, every time na wide open ito si Vosotros, doon pa siya nagmimintis, ha?
Manday lights it up. Keeping Meralco within 4.
They're still in the ball game. 2 possessions, under 4 minutes remaining.
Vosotros feeds Mendoza.
And good cut to the basket by Brian Mendoza. And a good feed by Almond Vosotros.
Grabe no, Salduan Mendoza, Salduan Mendoza, tig-5. Vosotros and Eximiniano may tiga-4 na puntos. Yun ang teamwork.
Tama ka doon, no? Pero in the meantime, a back-to-back 2-point basket. Para di sa Meralco. But a quick response by Mendoza in that 2-point attempt.
Senorifa finally puts up a shot.
but still can find this touch.
Mendoza trying to end it early. Eximignano saves it. Vosotros' skill shot does not work. We've seen that all too often. Kaya mas nakakagulat pa na hindi pumasok. Walang bantay kay Vosotros yung nagmintis.
Every time na wide open ito si Vosotros, doon pa nagbimintes in the meantime. Ito naman si Ryan Mendoza making this 5-point lead.
And they will be back to play in the finals. Unless
2-43 natitira ngayon. TNT looking good, but all is not lost, Meralco. We've seen weirder things happen sa ating PBA 3x3.
And rebounding has been the story para dito sa game na to, no? As TNT triple giga, out of those 15 rebounds, they got 11 offensive rebounds.
Paalala ulit natin, saan nga ba napapanood ang ating PBA? Kayo naka-Sky Cable, Channel 11. GIGA Channel 9, Cabling Channel 33, kapag Sulit TV Channel 20, at pagka iba pang digital box nyo, isearch nyo lang po. PBA Rush, Pilipinas Live App, all the time, every game day, live na live.
Ano itong PBA 3X? Napapanood ko rin to sa YouTube channel ng PBA.
HD din to.
Tama.
Maganda to.
Doon kita pinapakinggan eh.
Good, no? Hindi mo pinapatay bigay talaga.
Alma inside Chester.
King! Nope. Patino. Over to Manday. Jeff trying to make it happen para dito sa Meralco. Manday misses. Eximignano with the board. Vosotros. Taken away by Manday. And he connects on the deuce. Takto inahabol na Meralco.
8 points para dito kay Jeff Manday. 3 2-point basket. This is gonna be hard for Meralco balls by this time because aside from they prevent itong TNT to score to 21-point mark, kailangan pa nilang umabol and score 5 points para makahabol dun sa TNT.
Mendoza. Stopping on a dime. Pagkakahapat ng handbrake. Manday from the punches it through. But any basket wins it out for TNT. Meralco has to play perfect D.
And look at that resilience by Jeff Manday after missing two 2-point attempts. Making his last two, yes. Or last three.
Here we go.
Vosotros. Getting it into play. Saldua. Riva with a big block. Meralco down by 2. Less than 2 remaining in this semi-final game. Manday in attack with this fouled by Saldua.
And this possession is important para dito sa Meralco balls. Because if they make 2 points here, tapla na sila dito.
Manday with a total of 10 points, 5 of 7 from the 2-point line. Will they go right back to him? Batino servings. Batino to Sedoriva. Back to Batino. 1-point game.
2 steps back or 1 step backward, 2 steps forward para dito sa Meralco balls. As Meralco balls getting that 1 point only. They're anticipating or they're expecting to stop this possession of TNT and expecting to make a 2-point basket pagdating dun sa next possession ng Meralco balls.
Mendoza.
Kuya!
Will attack Kaduya.
Kuya!
He's tied up.
Kuya!
Mendoza loses it. Referees will review.
Dito tayo magkakasabukan ulit sino last touch dito?
Tingin ko, TNT. Ikaw. Kasi may puwersa pang ganun ulit eh. Huwag mong tignan. Huwag mong
Meralco, sige.
Daya mo.
Para lang may kontrahan tayo Meralco ko last touch.
Lahat sila may hawak pa sa puntong yan. Iyon, no? Sabi sa iyo eh. 1-0.
Meralco, ang bola.
Ayan. Kailangan naman sa semantics mo na naman ako. Yan. So Meralco. Oh! And just like that, kung Meralco to, they can win it outright with a two-pointer.
Tama. And that's a good call para dito sa referee, reviewing this play kasi napaka-important nitong possession natin, lalo na sa Meralco balls.
And it is official now. Meralco that possession. Manday, he has been on fire. He will rifle it in. Sedurifa, 0 for 1 from the field. Uncharacteristically, isang beses pa lang tumitira. Pero si Batino, may kamay din yan from the two-point line. Sedurifa, short. Uh-oh. Vosotros has Batino on him. Barbecue chicken time. Alvin ends it.
And in winning time, go to your number 1 offensive player, Almon Vosotros. Not finishing this game in a 2-point basket, but taking advantage of his speed. And look at that, he got that space. Batino was right beside him, but etong si Vosotros finding a way, iniwas dun sa right hand ni Batino and making that winning basket.
So a familiar refrain sa PBA 3x Series stage. Vosotros for the win. Pero they could not have gotten to that juncture kung hindi kay Chester Sandura.
Yes, he only got 5 points. Mendoza made 7 points. Mas mataas dito kay Chester Saldua. But tenacity being displayed by Chester Saldua. 7 rebounds, but more importantly, 6 of those rebounds came from offensive rebound. Wow, 6 extra opportunities given by Chester Saldua to TNT to win this semifinals game.
That gave them enough of a